She's recording.
Yeah, I forgot everything for that last one.
Well, that's okay, because we're going to go through it today. Alright, in my number 1, I have 2 pairs of sides and 1 pair of angles. Do I have SSS or SAS? SAS. How do I know I have SAS and not, like, bad words? Because the angle's in the middle. As long as the angle's in the middle, in between our 2 sides, we have SAS.
Oh,
Yeah, share. Too busy thinking of somebody's last name. In number 2, I only have 2 pairs of sides. So should I like make up an angle pair that's congruent, or what should I do?
the one in the middle.
What about the one in the middle?
Reflexive.
Why is it reflexive?
It shares.
Because it's shared. Awesome. Whenever they share something, it's congruent to itself. So now I have 3 angle pairs. So what should I call this? Side, SSS. Okay, number 3 looks a little bit trippy. I have this big triangle here, which has this side and this angle. And then I have this big triangle here that has this side and this angle. Well, first off, it has an angle, so I probably want to use SAS instead of SSS. But I can't just make stuff up. When you can't, like when you're out of your given stuff, when you can't assume things anymore, you always look for shared things. And number 3, do they share anything?
Yes.
Yeah, what?
Side.
What side?
And
Yeah. This bottom one right here. It overlaps. Is that the side that I wanted to say SAS? No? Yes? That's what I'm asking. Is my angle now in between my sides? Yeah. So I got SAS. Number 4, I have 2 side pairs and an angle pair, so I must have SAS, right? No, what's wrong? Bad words. What angles did I want for SAS?
Angle
S and T. Do I have S and T? No. Can I make stuff up about them?
No.
Nope. Can I make anything up about my sides?
Yes.
Yeah? Just make stuff up? Say the same? Done? No. Can't. They don't share anything. So this is a nada. This is nothing because it's bad words. No congruency there. In number 5, I got 2 side pairs. What else do I see from my picture?
Line EF.
What about it?
It's reflexive.
Because I heard it, shared it. So this has to be, since they shared, it has to be congruent. So now I have SSS. Okay. Number 6 is a pretty tricky one. I have 2 side pairs that are congruent. Looking at my picture, what else do I have? I have vertical angles. Let's look at these. These are my vertical angles. Do those angles help me prove SAS? No. That's a bad word, right? That's bad words. So although it does have vertical angles, that is 100% true, it's just not helpful to use them. Does that make sense? They're there, but it just doesn't help to use them. Okay. So we can't use vertical angles. What about my side? Can I say that my other side's congruent? Because it's shared or something? I don't know. Is it shared?
JA and
It's in both triangles, those 2 sides? Is it shared like 2 and 5? No. No. So I can't say anything on my side, which means I have to say something about an angle. Well, what angle do I want? D and E. I want these. Kind of messed up here. Well, notice, not only are ME and DJ congruent because they're lines, they also have arrows on them. Remind me what arrows tell me. They're parallel. Okay. Well, on Tuesday, Wednesday, we talked about alternate interior angles, right? What kind of angle pair are D and E?
Alternate.
Yeah, D and E are alternate interior angles. What do we know about alternate interior angles?
They're equal.
They're equal. So now that I have parallel lines, I can say that those two angles are congruent because they're alternate interior. Which means I have what? SAS. Good. So if you're given parallel lines, make sure you use them. Also, something super important, parallel lines never tell me that sides are congruent. Parallel lines are going to tell you angles. Those angle relationships talked about a couple chapters ago. Questions on 6? That was pretty tricky. Okay. 7, I have two side pairs, angle pairs, so I got SAS, yeah?
Yes. No.
Yes, no? I got bad words. This is nothing. 8, I have two side pairs, and looking at my picture, what else do I have? Vertical angles. This time, is it helpful that I have vertical angles? Yeah, because now I have what? SAS. Perfect. Okay. Any questions on those? Any at all?
No.
No?
Wait, why does number 7 at work?
Because we have angle side side or side side angle. Your angle, if you're going to use SAS, has to be in between your sides. Or if I think of it like your sides have to make up your angle. And this one doesn't. Alright, we got a couple proofs. Practicing our proofs.
A couple is 4.
A couple. Yeah, I didn't have that. My first line of a proof should always be what?
Given.
The given stuff. Copy paste. We got AB is congruent to CD. We got AB is, what do those two lines mean?
Parallel.
Parallel. Good. Parallel to CD. And D is midpoint of B. If you want to use 3 lines for that, 1 line, 2 lines, whatever, that's fine. No matter how many lines you use, what should my reason be for each of those things? Yeah, good. Okay. When you're done with your given, I want you to look at your picture. In this case, my picture is blank. Let's mark some things that were given, okay? A, B, and C, D are the same. They are congruent, so let's mark those. They are also parallel, which means they each get an arrow. And then D is the midpoint of BE. What does it mean that D is the midpoint of BE?
B, D, and D, E are equal.
Good. BD and DE have to be the same. Okay, so BD is congruent to DE or ED, whatever. And why do they have to be the same? Because what'd you say, Karma?
Definition of it.
Perfect. Definition of midpoint. So we used our midpoint thing, we used our congruent thing. Okay. Remember I told you, the only thing we ever use is our parallel lines. Parallel lines never prove that sides are congruent. Okay? So we have to be using angles. What angles do I want to be the same? B and D. If those are the same, we can use what? Side angle side, yeah. Why is it true that those two angles have to be the same? If I have parallel lines, what angle relationship are those two angles?
Alternate. No. Corresponding.
Woo! Winner, winner. They're corresponding. They're on the same side of BD, and they are both to the right of their parallel lines. So just like vertical angles is a reason, just like alternate interior angles is a reason, in this case we have corresponding angles. Okay? So these two have to be the same because they're corresponding angles. So let's go angle B. I can say angle B because there's only one angle B. Unfortunately, B has two angles, so let's call it CDE. Those two have to be the same because they're corresponding angles. What's my next step?
The triangles.
Yeah, my proof part. My triangles are equal. So triangle ABD is congruent to triangle CDE. And why are they congruent?
SAS.
SAS. Very good. SAS is a reason, not a statement. Some people are getting that confused. We're not going to use this last line because we combine both of these. But when you're done with your proof part, there should never be anything after, just FYI. Okay. Questions on that first proof? Another one. First part of my proof is always what? Given. Okay, M is congruent to NM. And LK is congruent to LN. And the only reason I know that is because it's given. So I wrote my given down, and now I look at my picture and it is empty. So let's mark it with the stuff we were given. KM and NM we were given, and then LK and LN we were given. So I am all out of my given, which means the picture has to tell me the rest of my proof. What's the picture tell me?
Reflexive.
Reflexive. What's
equals L.
LM equals LM? Because, like my friends have said, it is reflexive. We're not friends, so that was funny. Anytime they share something, write it down and call it reflexive. Now what? Write my proof. Why can I do that?
Because we have SS.
Woo! Write the triangle proof part. Triangle LKM is congruent to triangle LNM because we got three pairs of sides that are congruent. We like that one?
Because it's easy.
Because it's easy. Showed up on a quiz, that wouldn't be bad, would it? No. Questions on that one? No? Okay. First line, always given. AD is congruent to AB, and AC bisects angle dab. First reason always is they even marked their picture for us already. How sweet. Okay. I have that AD and AB are congruent. So that's good. Donezo. What does it mean for this line AC to come through and bisect that angle DAB? Say that
Same measure for both of the triangles.
Yeah. It cuts that angle in half, which means I have two things that are the same. Okay, question. If it bisects this angle, do you think I'm going to have angles that are the same or sides that are the same?
Sides. Both.
Both?
Should be angles.
Louder, Lexi.
Bisect the angles, mean.
Yeah, it's bisecting an angle. So if it cuts an angle in half, we know things about the angle. Okay? So since it cuts this angle in half, what do I know about these two angles? They have to be the same. Because if it cuts in half, then those two halves have to be the same. Can I just say angle in, angle A? Nope. Let's go angle DAC. Let's figure into angle BAC. And why do I know that they have to be the same?
Definition of bisect.
Def of bisect. Perfect. I've used my last given thing. So I gotta look at my pick. What does my pick tell me?
Reflexive AC equals AC.
AC and AC. They share it, so write it down. AC is compared to AC. And my reason again? Reflexive. Alright, run out of room. What's next? Proof part. Why? Why can I do that? Because I said so? SAS. I can say my triangle ABC is congruent to my triangle ABC because of SAS. Questions there? No? Okay, we got one more. First line is my given stuff. JM is congruent to NM. L is midpoint of JM. And my first reason always is given. My picture is bare. What can I mark it with? Sides? What sides? Hold on, you're ahead of me. Go back to you.
And M is equal.
Yep, JM and NM are the same. Lexi, you were throwing L's in there. Why?
Because L is the midpoint of two sides.
Yeah. So my two sides have to be the same, right? So JL and NL have to be the same. So JL has to be congruent to NL. And why does it have to be the same? Can I write a definition of bisects? No, it has to be midpoint. Because it is a midpoint. Depth of midpoint. Use that. That is all. Given is all gone. What's my pick tell me?
LM equals
LM equals LMY.
reflexive.
Reflexive. Am I done? No. Well, yeah, kind of. Proof part. Triangle JLM is congruent to triangle NLM because of SS.
I'm doing right. Woo! Give me a chance.
How do we feel? Better?